Alright guys, so in today's video we're going to go ahead and get these installed on the car. So obviously they're going to go somewhere in here, and then still going to think about the cut. I think right now we'll just do this. I was going to prime the bumper and all that, but if I install these, really we can't prime the bumper and install these, because then we'll have to take them back off, paint it again when we actually paint the car. So I think what we're going to do, we're just going to make the cutouts and everything and loosely put these on so they're on the car, we know where it's at, and then we'll decide. I'll let you all decide in the comments if we should do a bumper cut or keep it and whatnot and go from there. Because if we do the bumper cut, another thing is we'll lose the mud flaps unless I keep the mud flaps, and then we'll kind of like trace up this line here and then come back around. So we'll still have this side piece and the mud flaps, so we'll cut around it, come back up, and then follow that body line all the way across and do the same on the other side. So we'll let you all decide in the comments on that, but for sure we got to get these puppies installed. So let's start with that. Guys, so you can see here I measured from where it divots down to here, and then measured the difference, and I went about 3.5 inches down, so there's a clearance of the same line, made a line, and then went ahead and made the holes for it. So now what we're gonna do is drill these holes out first and then see how it holds up. So let's get these holes all drilled out. Alright guys, so now that's on, now we can go ahead and make the drill outs for here. And to do that, I'm just going to make a hole saw hole. Right, that in the middle. So there's that part of it. Now we just gotta get the rest of it. Alright, so I went ahead and moved the bumper to the back porch so it's easier to work with. I was trying to cut this with a knife and it just wasn't working out, and I was just nicking this up, which is fine. I can take this, flip it the other way. You won't notice it. But I came back here, so I get my Dremel. So let's use the Dremel to clean this up. There's a little cleaned up. Like I said, it's got nicked a lot, but it's all good. You can put it in the other way. That's how it will look on there. Like I said, I'm still undecided about doing the bumper cut. It's on. Now we measure this side and repeat the process. go, got it measured up where it's got to be, and then the gap from over here I measured on the opposite side as well. I don't know if y'all were able to see that on camera or not, but I measured this distance here. Now, once again, we'll go ahead and lay this down and mark the holes, get them drilled out, and go from there. There's those. A little trick, take your Sharpie, pull it out, and use the opposite end. It's got more of the ink on it, and it's a little finer of a tip, so it helps mark better. We'll go ahead and set it all back up like it's supposed to be. Make sure all the holes are still lined up, all that goodness. Alright, so now we went ahead and got all the screws put in so the template don't move. Now get your hole saw again. Alright guys, so now that you got this cut out the best that you can, once again we're going to go over it with the Dremel. This side here is done. So is this side. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take these out completely, clean the bumper and everything, and then go from there. Alright, so now I'm gonna go along the whole back side of them and put the nuts on them, and then start snugging them all down. It's all snug and tight on there. Let's do the other side. Alright, so both sides are on. What do y'all think? I think it looks good. I like it. And I'm surprised because I'm not really a fan of this stuff, of like doing this. Like I said, let me know in the comments about the bumper cut. I really don't want to. I was also thinking getting another set and putting them like right here, so it'll be one here and one here. But let me know what y'all think. That's pretty much it, baby. I think it looks pretty darn good if you ask me, you know. Hey guys, it started raining, so I just hurried up and threw it on the car. But there it is, finished project, all on the car. Let me know in the comments what y'all think, and also let me know about the bumper cut if you think we should do it. A little more cleaning up to do, I guess. We can tighten all that up when we get to doing the body work. But for the most part, guys, look, I like it. Actually, it looks pretty good. Yeah, like I said, it's raining, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, guys. Get it edited up and post it, or not even post it. We're 2 days ahead right now, so to get it edited up and ready to be posted. If y'all did enjoy this video, be sure to smash that thumbs up button. If you're not yet subbed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. It means the world to me. We're gonna keep pushing. So with that being said, guys, thank you for watching. Peace out and God bless.